Hi, my name is Brent and welcome to Voltstick Exposed. Today's tip, we're going to show you how to change the batteries in your Voltstick. We've got two types of Voltstick. We've got our standard ones with a screw top. So to change the batteries, simply unscrew the top and you just drop the batteries out like that, two AAA batteries. And when you place the batteries back in, there's a wire that runs down the inside of the Voltstick. Be careful not to catch that wire. Drop the batteries back, or the new batteries, into the Voltstick, positive first, and then screw the cap back on. Being careful not to over tighten, so just so it closes, there you go. That's how you change the batteries in our standard Voltsticks. And the second type, we have a battery compartment that slides out. So again, unscrew the battery, the lid, put your nail in there and just pull that tray out. That tray will come all the way out and you can just pop the batteries up from the middle, take the old batteries out and then put your new batteries in. And the way to do it easily is just put them in like that and then just squash the back in and push the middle down. And then it will just slide back in there, push that tight and put the cap back up. Again, don't over tighten the cap, and that's how you change your batteries in your Voltsticks.